Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today I'll show you how to set an order price limit using the Cart Lock app. First, open the Cart Lock app and click on the Add a New Rule button. Next, click on the Add a New Condition button. From the available options, select the Cart Total option. In the Block If More Than field, add 150 or any price limit you wish to implement. This will block orders if the total exceeds the set amount. If you want to apply this restriction to specific items, click Add a New Condition again and select the Products option. Then choose the desired items to apply the rule. We will keep this rule simple and will not use the products condition for this rule. Let's remove it. Make sure to give your rule a name in the Rule Name field for easy recognition later. In the Error Message field, add a custom message that will appear to customers if they exceed the price limit, such as "Please order below $150." Click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's test it out. If a customer tries to place an order exceeding the $150 limit or the amount you set, they will see the error message and won't be able to complete their purchase. As you can see, I am seeing the error message, so the price limit is enforced and the order cannot proceed. Hi, Mike. That's how easy it is to set an order price limit using the Cart Lock app. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!